Profitable greetings to each of you. Today we'll work with Chill and I will once again show you how much money I can earn working together with an incredible scalper bot. Before starting the video, I suggest you to leave a like and be subscribed to this channel. Those guys who want to earn real cash should definitely do it. Well, let's get started. Now I activated the bot and I'm already waiting for a new signal. The bot sends a notification about the preparation of the British pound and USD. We have 1 minute to prepare, so we open the pair we need on the Binarium broker. And also, I opened the same pair on a special TradingView service. I have told you about it more than once, so those guys who watch our videos know about it for a long time. And just look at this graph. I'll give you a couple of seconds so that you yourself can turn on your sharp mind and analyze it. Think where the price will go. So, now it's my turn to show you everything. Take a look at the support level, after which the price jumped up decently. I mark a local price maximum, and we see that even it has already been broken. An uptrend is evident, so I am not surprised by the bot's suggestion to open a trade up to 51 minutes. Let's throw $200 for a rise. Now we can go back to the graph itself and continue to study it. We found out the type of trend, now the price is in the area of its local maximum. The trend is confirmed by support levels, which are higher and higher each time. Let me highlight the area we are going to work with next. And now, look at the left side. We observe an obvious pattern. They began to sell the currency, and thus, the price began to fall lower and lower. And some dudes with money flew in and actively began to buy it back and bought it right up to the maximum. Now the movement of the currency is confident. Let's look at the shadows of the candles. Candles with large shadows indicate that the bears dominated and lowered the price, and then the bulls raised it to the closing price. As I said earlier, the guys are pumping it very actively now. Let's see what the bot shows us there. Just to be sure, I will clarify that this chart is of the same price, only with a different time frame. At the end of the chart, look at the shadows of the candles as well as their sizes. I think there are enough arguments in favor of choosing a bullish move. And here is confirmation of my word. A confident forecast that has paid off with interest. We got our profit and the bot did it with us. Now let's go back to the platform, take another look at how clearly we predicted the price movement. The price has broken its maximum, and let me remove all the markers and show it to you again. After the support level above buyout of the currency began, which led to the significant increase, we noticed these graphs with you and are entered by getting a couple of coins on this. Now the time will rewind to a new signal, and the bot offers to prepare the Australian dollar and Japanese yen currency pair. Let's prepare a currency pair for the Binarium without delay, and then go to TradingView, where I have already noted the maximum price. Now let's look at the next movement of the chart, and here we have a situation similar to the last time. So let's see what the bot offers. Yes, here we have a rise to 59th minute. I agree with that, so I open a bullish trade. This time, the rate itself can be increased, because we earned this money in the last deal. The deal was opened, now we can continue to do what we love, namely, work with the analysis of the chart. I noted a local maximum. The price is now trying to reach it at a reversal. Look at these greasy candles. As I said, the scenario of movement here is almost the same as last time. The level of support after which big guys buying out the currency pair. Before that, we see there was already an immediate attempt to return to the top. But here we have in decline, the currency was being sold. And after that, the big uncles entered the market, decided to turn around and show who is daddy here. Let's see if this support level was at the price low. Yes, we marked the levels. The price didn't break the bottom, but it was close to it. Let's take a look at the broker. Everything is in order here, so we can continue working. Let's go to Telegram. Here is the same thing. I won't say much, just show you some recent sweet candles. Everything is obvious here. Back to the platform, I saw the current situation and decided to all up. It is appropriate here, because if at least one trend enters, we will already be in plus. Yes, the price fell downward and went beyond our forecast, but we have an uptrend to rise slowly, and I think that sooner or later it will start actively moving upward. In any case, I overlap and expect to get my profit. Here you go. As you can see, our initial trade didn't work, but the overlap saved the situation and we still remained in profit. See, the bot also got a profit from the overlap. This is what I was talking about, we just got into a small zone of turbulence, but still emerged victory from there. Only I will remind you that this a dangerous trick is performed by professionals, taking into account risk and money management. If you are a beginner, it is too early for you to do this. According to the chart, I think that the price may still try to fall down, but not significantly. After that, rapid growth will follow, maybe later I will deal with it. In the meantime, let's see what the bot offers there. This time, let's play with the Euro and USD currency pair. I will show you another trick of a professional, namely working on two brokers at the same time. And here and there I prepare a currency pair. I also do the same on the TradingView platform. See, we have also here a similar wrap. The bot tracks this and gives us clear hints with whom we should work, and according to the bot, let's open a rise trade until the 18th minute. One deal was opened, now it's the same on the second platform. Just keep an eye on the markers that I'm marking now. But also, listen to an important reminder about the bot itself. By activating the bot, you get several grid bonds at once, namely 100 predictions from the bot daily. And also, we have a Telegram channel, which will help you to learn to trade. In the meantime, I marked the levels here and determined the price breakout. Everything is in order on brokers. The chart goes up. Let me show you a chart from the bot, and here again, there is an active upward movement after the support level. So how is doing the second broker? We've got profit on the first. The bot also received a net profit. And what is on the second? As you can see, I opened the trade before the 19th minute. Just look at this jump and how confidently the price moved. We are also closing the second broker with a plus. Now, at an accelerated pace, I will show you how I opened it 4 straight in a row and how much I was able to earn. Forecast for the pair already familiar to us. The Australian dollar and Japanese yen. Signal for an increase up to 13 minutes. Let's place a deal, and I will immediately show you the result. The magic of editing, and profit is already in our pocket. For this video I made 4 profits in a row and earned a special amount. How much I did? Write in the comments. That's it for today. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and make crazy profits together with the Scalper bot.